Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to start the workout on this watch. So to start the workout on this watch we need to press the middle button, this one, to open the exercise menu. And once you open the exercise menu you will see the list of workouts you can start. Scroll through it, look for the workout you want to begin, and once you find it, tap on it. Here we have a tutorial how to use our watch during workout, and then we can tap on OK. You can also allow the location permission if you want to track your location during the workout. Agree to the terms, and the workout will start the countdown, and once it's done, it will begin. And now it's going, and during the workout you can do a couple of things. You can swipe right on the screen to open the control panel, and here you can pause the workout, you can resume it, you can start a completely new workout. So if you tap on new and select the workout, it will basically replace the existing one, I believe, and start the new workout. And then we have the settings option, and here you can just change some settings for your workout. And of course there is the last option, which is finish. If you tap on this button, it will basically stop the workout and give you the stats from it. You can also open this menu by pressing the lower button like this and close it as well. If you press the upper button, it will minimize the workout, and you will see it right here on the watch face, and you can go back to it if you want to by tapping on this icon right here. If you swipe left on the screen during the workout, it will open the music controls, and here you can control the music on your phone that is paired with your watch, I believe, and I'm not sure, but it's possible that you can also listen to music on the watch, but I'm not sure it will allow you to do that. I know the Garmin's watches do, I'm not sure about this one. Okay. And once you decide to stop, like I said before, you simply press the lower button and tap on finish to stop the workout. And here we have the workout summary. You can basically read the stats. You can also tap on show on phone. It will open the Samsung Health application on your phone. Is it Health? Samsung Health? I believe so. No, it's not Samsung Health, my bad. It's normal Galaxy Wearable, and it will show you the details on the phone, and you can see details right here. Okay, and that's how you start the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.